Now there are about 130 million hectare of degraded land in India. Let us see what are the main causes of degradation, land degradation in some of the states of India. Deforestation due to mining. That is the main cause of land degradation. In which states of India? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Second is overgrazing. Okay, that also causes land degradation. It causes problem or land degradation in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Over irrigation is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Okay students, now you understood that how important land resources are for us. This resource is limited, okay, and therefore we cannot increase. We need to conserve our land resources. How can we conserve? So prevention and control measures of land resources. First is some good farming practices like strip farming and crop rotation. So what is strip farming? It is a practice in which cultivated crops are sown in different rows. Okay, alternative strips to prevent water movement. So it holds the soil firmly. There's different crops in different rows. And the crop rotation. Okay, in which different crops are grown in the same area following a rotation system. Now this rotation system helps in replenishment of the soil. Okay. Next is use of organic manure. So in place of this chemical pesticides and fertilizers, organic manure should be used in the agricultural field. Okay, because they are biodegradable, non-harmful for the soil and for the microorganisms. Third is construction of small dams. These small dams, if the area is or field is very, very large, in between the fields some check dams, small dams they are made. So they control what? They control the speed of the water, they hold the soil as well as the water. So in this way they prevent soil erosion. Next is afforestation, plantation. Okay, large scale plantation that should be done because we know how trees, they bind the soil, they hold the soil firmly. Okay, and therefore they check the speed of the wind and the water, and in this way they not only preserve water, they also preserve soil. Now in the arid areas, wind is the most effective agent of land degradation or soil erosion. So how we can control land degradation in that area, arid areas? First is control on overgrazing. This is also number 5. So control on overgrazing. By controlling overgrazing, certainly we can conserve. Then the sand dunes, we know they always move and they can increase the area of the desert. So how we can stabilize these sand dunes? The movement we can stop by growing thorny bushes at the fringes. Okay, at the margins of the desert, we can stop the movement of these sand dunes. So in this way, we can prevent soil erosion. Next is shelter beds. Shelter beds means rows of trees. So if we plant rows of trees, okay, at the margins of this desert area which can grow, so we certainly can conserve land resources. So these are 3 measures through which we can conserve land resources in arid areas: control and overgrazing, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes, and shelter beds. In industrial areas and in suburban areas, cities and towns, by adopting these methods we can control. Okay, we can control land degradation, we can conserve land resources. Proper management of wasteland. There are lots of wastelands. With the present technology, we can use it and it can be very useful land. Okay, that land can be fit for any work. Control of mining activities. Excessive mining is always harmful, not only for the microorganisms but also for the soil and for the land. Okay, it also pollutes the air. So that should be controlled. The last is proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste. These effluents and waste which comes out from the industries, they pollute not only the water but also the soil and the land resources. Okay, and therefore they retards the process of infiltration. Soil became infertile, water became polluted. So therefore these are some of the preventive measures through which we can conserve our land resources. So this is the end of the topic land resources. In the next class we will start a very important resource, soil resource. Thank you.